Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make your Instagram account private. So in order to make your Instagram account private, the steps are very much simple. So first of all, make sure to get connected with the internet. Then simply tap on your Instagram app, go to the Instagram. And also be sure you are signed into your Instagram account. Then simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right and you will enter on your profile. Then you can see there are three horizontal line at the top right side. So just tap on this three horizontal line. And here go to the settings from the option. And in this page you can see our option of privacy. Just go to the privacy option. And here at the top you can see the privacy account option. In the account privacy section, just turn this on. And it says that only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can tag, mention or message you. That means they can mention you or tag you in a post, but they can see your photos and your videos or your stories until you accept their follow requests. So just tap on this switch to private at the bottom, at this blue box. Just tap on this option. That's it, your Instagram account has been switched to private. So hope this video helped you, and before you go, please subscribe this channel as well and like this video. Thank you for watching.